Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss classic car restoration tips and tricks for a successful project. Classic cars hold a special place in the hearts and memories of car enthusiasts around the globe. Around the globe, their timeless beauty, historical significance, and nostalgia make them an enjoyable hobby. Restoring a classic car allows you to bring it back to its former glory and offers the thrill of driving a piece of automotive history. Embarking on a classic car restoration project requires commitment and dedication. A full restoration involves disassembling the car, addressing mechanical and cosmetic issues, and resembling it to original or improved condition. Classic car restoration is not a quick or easy task. Prepare for the challenges you'll have during the restoration, such as finding rare or discontinued parts, encountering mechanical issues, or dealing with bodywork and paint. This is the image by Menard's Classic Car Overview of car restoration. The restoration process can be divided into several stages. The number 1, tear down; number 2, bodywork; number 3, mechanical restoration; number 4, interior restoration; number 5, painting and finishing; number 6, troubleshooting and final touches. Each stage requires specific skills, tools, and attentions to detail. By understanding the overall process, you can plan and execute your restoration project more effectively. Choosing the right classic car. When choosing the right classic car for restoration, here are three key factors to keep in mind. Number 1, sentimental value. Sentimental value can provide a sense of connection and personal fulfillment. Number 2, historical significance. Classic cars often have historical significance, and restoring a historically significant vehicle can also enhance its value and desirability in the future. Number 3, ace of restoration. Consider your skill level, your experience, and the resources you have available. Setting up your restoration workshop. Creating a well-equipped and organized workshop is crucial for a successful restoration project. Here are two key aspects to consider when setting up your restoration workshop. Tools required. Hand tools and specialized tools are needed to complete your restoration. Tools such as wrenches, socket sets, screwdrivers, and pliers are essential for disassembly and reassembly. Specialized tools may include engine, hoist, welders, paint sprayers, and diagnostic equipment. Space considerations. Having adequate space in your workshop is vital for maneuvering around the car, storing parts, and setting up your tools and equipment. Consider your ventilation, lighting, and electrical outlets when designing your workshop space. Safety protocol. Safety should always be a top priority in any restoration project. Personal protective equipment (PPE). Make an investment in your own personal protective equipment by purchasing items like as safety glasses, gloves, and air protection. Respirators or face masks may be necessary if you are sandblasting, welding, sanding, or painting. Proper ventilation. Ensure that your workshop has adequate ventilation to minimize the inhalation of toxic fumes or harmful chemicals. If you work with paint, solvents, or other hazardous substances or chemicals, always use them in a well ventilated area or use proper extraction system. Fire safety. Have fire extinguishers readily available in your workshop and know how to use them. Avoid working with flammable materials near open flames or other potential ignition sources. Regularly inspect your electrical system and wiring to prevent fire hazards. Inspection and assessment. Before diving into a restoration process, always inspect and assess the car's condition. This step allows you to identify areas needing attention and determine how much restoration is required. Here are key areas to inspect and assess. Number one is body. Carefully examine the car's body for signs of rust, corrosion, dents, or other damage. Check the structural integrity of the frame and body panels. Inspect the condition of the paint, chrome trim, glass, and weather stripping. Interior. Assess the interior component including the seats, carpeting, dashboard, headliner, and door panels. Look for any tears, fading, or wear and determine if the original upholstery needs replacement. Check the functionality of switches, gauge, and control. Mechanical component. Inspect the engine, transmission, suspension, brakes, and other mechanical system. Check for leaks, cracks, signs of wear, and any damage to vital components. Evaluate the condition of the exhaust, cooling, and fuel system. Assess the electrical system including wiring, lights, and other accessories. If you like the video, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.